Hey guys, Andre here, owner of Anderson Oil. Just wanted to stop by here and give a deeper dive into the Signature Series. It seems as if the last video that I made wasn't elaborate enough. We've had some questions pile up that are pretty much all the same question, and people are wanting to get a better grasp and comprehension of the full details of the Signature Series and what that all entails. If you don't know, the Signature Series is the third package offered in the AMSOIL series of oil changes. And comes with a 25,000 mile oil and a 25,000 mile oil filter, a tire rotation, a cabin air filter, an engine air filter, and all wiper blades. So if you have an SUV, we do get the wiper blade in the back along with the two in the front. Not only that, but you're also getting additives added to your car. And the bottle of additives, you get 4 of them, and they're all at cost. I don't make any money off of these. But you get a coolant flush, and so it basically grabs all that sludge, all that jello-ish stuff that's kind of at the bottom for older vehicles and kind of helps it flush out during the oil change. You're also getting an upper cylinder lube, which your camshafts hardly ever really receiving the amount of oil that they're needing to stay lubricated as over time as seals begin to weaken. And so the upper cylinder lube kind of helps. I mean, well, it's in the name, keeps the upper cylinder lubricated. And then your third additive that you're getting is a performance improver, which is it acts as a fuel cleaner, but also is proven to give you at least 14% horsepower increase as well. And then the fourth additive that you're getting is a coolant boost. In the wintertime, when you start your car, you ever notice that it kind of takes a while before it warms up or kicks on? And in the summertime, it takes a little bit before the AC just cools off. That helps with that. Not only does it help with that, but it helps lengthen the lifespan of the coolant that you already have in there. Most coolant flushes, those are already rated for 75 to 150,000 miles before they need to be pulled out, depending upon what you drive, whether it be foreign or domestic. But that coolant boost is going to take whatever you've got and basically multiply that. Now, that package is starting at $300. But what's cool about this package is that the savings that you get with it. So you already get $20+ in savings on the additives, since I'm giving them to you at cost. I'm not making any money on that. But if you were to buy those individually, they would cost you about $35 more if you went and bought them yourself, or if you bought them through us even. And then on top of that, we're giving back a free diagnostic that you can redeem within 12 months. Along with a tire rotation that you can redeem within 12 months. Those two services alone equal out to about $150. Coupled on top of the savings that you get for the additives at cost, you save almost $200 in preventative maintenance and in future services as well. So I just wanted to give a further dive into that series. We have some questions pop up, like what is it? You know what it is, but exactly what all does it entail? Also on top of that too, with the performance improver, you have to get gas topped off at least 10 gallons. So we're going to provide that as well. During that Signature Series, you'll also get your gas tank topped off with at least 10 gallons of gasoline, no more than gasoline. And the gas that we're using is 91, and we'll be using 91 premium because that's just the best way to get the best results in your performance anyway. And everybody, really, truth be told, should be using premium for gas anyway. It helps with the combustion chamber and the residue that's left behind when you're using cheaper gases. So I just wanted to stop by and give that tidbit. I know that was a little bit of information drug out past 3 to 4 minutes, but I figured I'd give a deeper dive and an explanation as far as what that series entails and why it costs how much it does cost. So I hope this video finds you guys in good spirits. Once again, this is Andre with Anderson Oil. Thank you guys. Have a good day.